This is how to get your free applied digital skills poster for your classroom. First of all, you're going to log into Launchpad. Yay, Launchpad. You're going to get your Google Drive open. See, there's my drive. You're going to go back to Launchpad. You're going to click on the icon for BPS Google Applied Digital Skills right there. You're going to click Sign In. And because I was already signed into my Google, it says, what would you like to use? This account is fine. If it asks you to sign up, if it's the first time, it just might want some basic information, you can do that. Once you're signed in as a teacher, you can use it like Google Classroom if you'd care to, but look over here under posters and flyers. Download posters and flyers or order a free poster for your classroom. Click on that, fill it out, and hopefully soon you'll get a free poster. What? That's awesome.